Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a recipe that is very personal to me because it's actually the recipe that I used while I was going through my detox coming off my alcohol almost 4 years ago. So this is what actually helped me like completely detox through alcohol, and I started going through my whole entire recovery journey and my pathway to sobriety. So let's take a look. So this juice consists of apple, spinach, and carrots, and 1 lime. And I did this for 3 consecutive days, all day, drinking apple, spinach, and carrots to really detox my body, get rid of all those toxins, just completely refuel my body with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and all the nutrients that my body was lacking due to alcohol. So I decided to use apple, carrots, and spinach because when I started going through my whole juicing certification program, it's kind of like the most simple recipe that you can actually use when you start juicing. And the apple's always gonna get that, change your palate, but it's got a ton of spinach, which spinach helps with depression. It's got so many antioxidants that are really good for you to refuel your body. Anyway, it was a simple recipe. It didn't take much effort, much work. It was just amazing how my body felt after I started drinking this. I was struggling for about a good 1.5 to 2 years. I was a walking zombie pretty much. So when I started drinking this juice, oh my God, it just felt like I was alive again. I mean, it was like the best feeling in the world. The carrots, because it's got beta carotene and so good for your skin, my skin started glowing so quick. It was immediate. I mean, and this is the beauty about juicing. It's liquid, so it goes into your body and it just goes straight in. It's like a freaking shot of antioxidants going into your body, and you're like, so anyway, it's a simple recipe that I wanted to share with you because it hits home. It's personal to me. And I think this is one of the recipes that I encourage everyone when they start juicing to do, because it's easy and it'll open up that taste, that palate to really enjoy juicing. Lots of spinach. I have the carrots cut up here, but it's about 10 carrot sticks that you're gonna be using. And then got my apples. Let's stick the lime here. And this is how juicing will make you feel. And I don't even know if I'm doing it right. So this is the juice that I drank consistent for 3 days to detox and get my body back on a healthy level coming off alcohol. I highly recommend it to anyone. I mean, anyone can literally just juice this. It's easy, it's amazing for you. It will do wonders to your health. It's full of vitamins and antioxidants. And once you're coming off alcohol, you kind of crave the sugar, but this just kills the sugar craving. To me, this was magical during, what I went through on my journey. And this is one of my favorite juices, and it just brings me back to health. I hope you guys enjoy this, and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful.